guys, welcome back to KimlyChic, and today I'm gonna do a little TikTok makeup hack. Let's see how this goes. Alright, I'm going to achieve, trying to uh, achieve a new way of applying my falsies, my eyelashes. Oh no, my lips are dry. Ooh, my gosh, they're so dry. Oh my god. Mm-mm. Much better. All right, so it says first you apply your lash glow to your lash, to your eye. So I'm actually using my hair glue, so I'm trying to find a little brush I can use to apply this with. Let's see, I have tons of brushes, so just need a small one. Perfect. All right, so let's see how this goes. No, so I'm gonna see if I can apply it this way and it works. Let's see. I don't have a lash glue that has a brush on the end, but let's see how this works. So it says to apply the glue to your eye first. Oh boy, this is drying so quickly. God. Oh my gosh, this is literally tacky already. Almost dry. Oh God. Let's see if it will work. May have to try this again. Let's see. And then you apply your lash, they say, on top. Let's see. All right, let me do this again, because it actually said I should apply mascara first. So let me try this again. Let me see if I can get this off. Apply the mascara and it's dried a bit. I'm gonna apply my falsies now. All right, so the first thing you do is apply your lash glue. All right. Oh shit. Ooh. Wee. Oh my god. Oh my god. Destruction just hit me. When I'm a glue. Ugh. I almost lost all of my glue. Alright, so after that mishap, I'm just gonna apply the glue right along the lash line. Alright, let's go. Hopefully it turns out good. Alright, bear with me, people. I'm applying as much glue as I possibly can, and it is starting to dry already, so I'm just gonna go on in quickly with my lashes or my lash Here we go. Guys, pray that it work. Alright. Okay. Like something not going for me, man. And of course, a truck is passing. Yep. Alright. Like something not going for me. Alright, so that's one down. I'm gonna apply the next one. And I forgive my fingers. Ugh. Just and typically if you have the lash glue with the brush on the end or the with the applicator on the end, that would be the best option to use or the best one to use. I don't have that at the moment, so oh god, bear with me because I don't have that. It is a little bit tedious to do, but don't worry, I'll get through it. All right, so I've applied that. Now I'm gonna go in with the lash and hopefully like the other side. That goddamn truck, oh my gosh. Ugh. My gosh. Truck won't make me be great today. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the lashes now. Now go on for my man. Okay, tick off the talk. Okay, talk. Okay. I like. Looks good though. Okay. Something not going for me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try this nose contour that I saw on TikTok. I thought I was recording, but when I looked up I wasn't. So I already made the markings on my nose. So I'm gonna go step by step in what I did. So you can use either cream contour or powder, foundation or whatever. So what I'm gonna do in this section right here, I'm gonna pull it from here with my powder contour, and I'm making a triangular motion. So I'm sweeping it here, going here, going along the nose bridge, and then right back up again. I'm gonna do the same for the other side with a triangular motion, up, down. Then I make a stroke on either side. Then I'm gonna make 2 lines across. I'm gonna go in with a circular motion right there and one in here, and then I guess that's good. All right, so I'm gonna place the contour along my cheekbones now. So this hat that I saw on TikTok, instead of putting it right along here, I'm gonna place it right above here. So let's see how this look work out. Alright, so again, I'm not putting it here, I'm putting it right here. I'm gonna do it on the other side. So I'm going right above that bone. And let's blend and see what happens. This look is fire. What do you guys think about this look? That's pretty cute. It's cute. It's beautiful actually. Well, this is the final look of my makeup TikTok hack. So I'm well, I'm impressed. It looks good. Like honestly, it looks really good. I love the final product. I'm just in love with everything. I hope you loved it too. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And if you have any comments, any questions, you can leave them right in the comment section. And remember, like, share, subscribe, and also tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. So I'll definitely see you next time. Have a good day. Bye. Have a good one.